Hi everyone, thanks a lot for tuning into my channel. A very happy new year to all of you. And today's video is my favorite makeup products of 2016. Few of them are not the 2016 launch, they have already been there, but I discovered them in 2016 and I've been loving them on me, and I've been loving using them. And a few of them are the new launch and I love them, so I have included everything together, and I have quite a lot of product to show you guys. uh, Not quite a lot, but a lot of products. And without any further ado, let's get started with the video. The first product that I want to show you is the Maybelline Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser Primers. Now this primer I discovered in 2016. I don't know since when it was there in India, but I don't know. I just ordered it last year and I really found it very helpful because my pores are really peeking through these days. I have really large pores. I don't know why. Maybe because of the delivery trauma. My skin is going through some delivery trauma or something. So I just ordered this, and ever since I was using this, I have been loving this very much. It really does minimize my pores, and it gives a very smooth canvas to work the foundation in. I really love this primer, so I would really highly recommend it to you, although it's not very budget friendly. This one was, it's a 20 ml product and it was for $7.99. I can't remember the exact price, but primers are expensive here. Like, primers are really expensive, but I would highly recommend you to invest in this primer because if you have large pores, you would definitely need this. For foundation, actually I have two options for you. First one is the Lakme CC cream, and I have a comparison of this CC cream and the Color Transform CC cream. I've been really loving this CC cream. I don't know why I was not using it, but it's really nice. It just gives the right coverage, and it just really very nice CC cream. And if you are in a hurry, you don't want to apply foundation, you would want something like this. It really does the job pretty well. And the foundation which I've been really loving, it's the new launch by L'Oreal. It's the L'Oreal Matte Magic 12-hour foundation. It's just awesome. It is budget friendly as well. Okay, Lakme CC cream, it's the 9 gram product and it cost about 115. I will link everything down in the description, just don't forget to check it out. Really, I cannot remember the price of all the product, so I will try my level best to give you the information, but please check the description box for it. And the foundation, this is the L'Oreal Matte Magic 12-hour foundation. It's the new launch. I really love it. It's just very nice. I don't even need to apply primer to minimize my pores. My biggest concern these days is my pores, so I don't have to apply a primer for minimizing my pores. It does the job of minimizing the pores as well, and it is a long lasting foundation, so I would highly recommend it to you. And for the compact, again I have L'Oreal Matte Magic compact. It was already there in the market, but I didn't get it because of, I don't know why. It Can you see the patch here? I will tell you a story in my next video or some of my future video or any of my future video. The story behind this patch, I will definitely tell you, but not today. This is a really nice compact. As you can see, it really gives nice coverage to your foundation or a CC cream. If you do not want to apply foundation on your face, you apply some CC cream and apply this compact on top of it, and you are good to go. It really does give extra coverage, so I would really highly recommend it to you. And the packaging also is very nice. The compact is, the powder is here, and when you open the lid, you get a mirror. Yes, my camera, okay. You you get a mirror and the sponge. So the sponge is dirty, but anyway. So this is the compact I would highly recommend, and I've been really loving this foundation in 2016, and I would definitely use this in future as well. Next powder, I have a translucent powder. If you are following me for a while, or if you are following me from the beginning, you would know I really love using Kryolan translucent powder. It really is a very nice high coverage translucent powder. It really does give a good coverage to your face. Today I'm wearing it, and I haven't applied any CC cream or any foundation. I've just applied this powder, and you can tell by looking at my face that my face, if not all, most of my blemishes have been covered, and I've only applied this one only. And I use this shade TL5. There are a variety of shades, and the problem with Kryolan product is that they you cannot find them easily in online. I didn't find it online. If you can find these online, they are very costly. So I have a local store here. They stock the Kryolan products, so I get these from that store only, and this is for 20 gram of product, and it costs for rupees 400, which is really affordable because it lasts very long, very long. This was my when did I purchase it? I think it's about a year old, and I still have a lot of product in there. I just don't want to open it because it's powder all over, but I still have a lot of product to go. I think it will last me for another year, so I would highly recommend Kryolan translucent powder to you guys. Concealer that I want to recommend is Kryolan Dermacolor. Again, it's from Kryolan. I don't know. I just love their concealer. Foundation I have not tried, but this concealer is the bomb, you guys. It just covers your blemishes pretty well. And this one is 4 gram product, and it's my it's almost it is almost 2 years that I bought this, and I still haven't used it quite as much. As you can see, it's this much bigger tub, but yes. And because it's very creamy and very thick, you need very little. I will show you in one of my, I don't have any blemish in my hand. Where should I show it to you? Okay, let me just find some patch. Okay, I have got this small patch here. I will show you how it covers. Now can you see? It really did cover my patch. So this concealer, it's the Dermacolor Camouflage Cream Concealer. I would highly recommend it to you. I've been using it for 2 or 3 years now. It's not my recent discovery, or it's not my 2016 discovery, but I thought I would include it. I should include it because it's really nice. For eyeshadow, I had to include the Nudes palette by Maybelline. I've been really loving this. I bought this in 2016, and look at the shades, you guys. And I've already given it in my giveaway to one of my subscriber, and I really love this palette because it has so many nudes and so many shimmery or satin finish eyeshadows, and this is a multi-purpose eyeshadow palette. I mean, you can use it for contouring your face, you can use it to fill in your brows, and you can even use it as a highlighter because if you can see, I don't know if the camera can catch it or not. Let me just take it a little bit closer. Shade in particular has got some shimmers, so it can be used as a highlighter as well. So let me just apply it and show it to you. See, It can be applied as a highlighter, and dark brown shade you can use to contour your face, to fill in your brows. I had to include it because obviously look at the shades. So that's the it's a little bit costlier. It's not under the budget makeup product, but seeing the versatility of this palette, I think it's worth it. It's of $8.99. The price for this palette is $8.99. So I want to recommend is this colossal kajal. Everyone knows it, everyone owns it. I don't need to say special things about this kajal because it's just really nice. It just gives the darkest of the line ever. I really love using this kajal and I had to include this as well. I've been using it for a very long time, very long time. I don't know since when I've been using it, but this one is really nice. Mascara again from Maybelline, the colossal one. I really love using this mascara, and these two are not my 2016 discovery. I've been using it for quite a long time, but I wanted to include it because I will use it in future as well. I wanted to include it, so I included it. For the eyeliner, I want to add this. Again, I use it quite often. This Maybelline Eye Studio Lasting Drama Gel Eyeliner. I really love using it. It's quite creamy and it really gives really nice wing eyeliner. If you want to create a wing eyeliner, a dramatic wing eyeliner, this is a perfect product for you because it is very smooth and it really is very easy to glide on the skin. So I would highly recommend this gel eyeliner highlighter. This is my holy grail. This is the Savannah Colors Shimmer Brick. I gave it to one of my subscriber in my giveaway. I really love using this, and these shimmer shades are pretty pigmented. It's really nice. The pigmentation is just awesome, out of this world. I cannot talk enough about this shimmer brick. It's really very nice. And for my blush, I don't have a recommendation for you guys because I don't have much blush. I have these Wet n Wild ones which I really love the most, but these are not available in India, so I didn't include them in the list. And I have got this Maybelline Color Show, but it's not that good. It does not have any pigmentation of any sort. It just does not give any color, or no, that's why I didn't include these. I have these three only. So blush, I'm sorry, I did not include. If you can find very nice affordable pigmented blush, please let me know, because I don't know, and I for a person, I don't spend much on blushes. That's why I've got only three. So please let me know if you know any budget friendly blush in the market. I want to mention a tool, this one. It's the Angled Eyeshadow Brush by Color Bar. I really love using this tool. It's the magical tool for me, especially when I don't have time now for applying my eyeliner or winging it out. I don't have time for that, so this tool does the magical job for me. I would highly recommend it to you. I've been using it for quite a long time now, but I used to use it for filling in my brows, but when Bunny came into my life and I didn't get time for applying my makeup, and eyeliner takes the longest of time, so I tried this one for applying my eyeliner, and everything changed. So I would highly recommend this tool to you guys. Go and grab this tool. Now I am only left with lipsticks, so I'll show you, or I'll tell you what I've been loving in 2016. The first ones that I've been loving are these Organic lipsticks. These are quite affordable, 149 each, and these are really pigmented. I have a review on these. I will link the review in the description. Go check it out. These are really awesome. And the next lipsticks that I wanted to mention are these Arezia Matte Me. These are also affordable, and these are matte liquid lipsticks. These are long lasting. I've got a review on these as well, description box, please check it out. Awesome. Then I've got Diana of London liquid lipsticks. I even gave it in my giveaway video. Awesome. I want to mention the Nykaa lipsticks as well. These are quite affordable, $3.99 for these babies. I've got 6 shades, and each shade I love each shade. I have got review on these, please check it out. These lipsticks are amazing. If you want some budget friendly matte lipsticks, just go get these. These are quite affordable and nice and long lasting and all those good things. So Nykaa lipsticks. Those are my makeup products that I have been loving in 2016. Some of them I've been using for like forever, but I wanted to include them in my favorites list. And I want to make another video for skincare and hair care products that I have been loving in 2016. And yeah, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel if you are new, or if you are already there, or if you are already my subscriber. Please stay with me. I really need your support, and please click on that bell icon to get notified, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye.